Myfitnesspal app. How to log workouts here. Firstly, you have to open Myfitnesspal app. At the bottom, you can see here dashboards, diary, news feed, and the plans here. You have to click on the plans. Now you can see different options here. At the last, you can see here workout. Click on it. You can see or log different workouts, and you have to select your workout according to your requirement. That was all. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.